difficult, but I think I have this man on my right, Shashank Ketan, who in Humpty changed me fully, and in this film he changed me. He always said this, that when you enter the office to meet me, Varun, just forget who you are, what your previous hits are. You have to just reinvent. And honestly, I'm a little nervous today because I'm actually feeling like this is like my first film or something. Because Badri is such a special character to me. He's so close to my heart. I just hope he gets the love that we put in to making him.
मेरा सवाल आप तीनों से है कि यही ऑडी था, ऑडी 2 जिससे स्टूडेंट की शुरुआत हुई, देन बद्रीनाथ का भी यहीं पे पहला लॉन्च था और आज ये दिन है. किस तरीके से आप तीनों देखते हैं इस जर्नी को? लाइक करण, आप दोनों स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में बताते हैं और वरुण और आलिया अगर अपने की तरफ.
ये एक्चुअली हम कहीं और करने वाले थे ये ट्रेलर लॉन्च. जस्ट टू टेल यू कि वरुण ने हमें याद दिलाया कि दैट दिस इज हिज लकी. हैव यू अदर फिल्म्स हैव आल्सो बीन लॉन्च्ड हियर?
All films.
All your films. So we were actually going to be at Cinepolis. No offense to everyone at PVR, we love PVR. It's because there was a wider stage, I think, and they wanted to do this dance performance. But then Varun said that this is his lucky auditorium. So yes.
No, you complete, then I'll say.
That's why we're in Audi 2. What do I say? I'm very excited. This is Varun's third film with us and Alia's sixth, I think. I'm just like, I've said it time and again, I feel immense pride and joy. Every time they're on screen, I feel like I'm watching my own.
वरुण, आलिया अभी अगर शेयर करें अपने. वरुण, आलिया पहले आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दें.
हाँ सर, आप लोग कहा हुआ. हाँ सॉरी. इसके बाद
तो इस जर्नी को कैसे देखते हैं?
I mean, I again बहुत ही जैसे कि वरुण ने कहा कि actually when we both are nervous like it's our first film, so I think कभी-कभी हम भूल जाते हैं कि जर्नी भी है और I think ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए because the excitement, the newness, the butterflies in the stomach हर फिल्म के साथ ये होता है. And I don't know, Varun say something. Last पिछले time day, I think Varun was talking the most. So I think.
I'll say something. This journey has been a journey of ups and downs, and I mean that in the best possible way because my character does go through a lot of changes as the film progresses. I had a lot of alcohol. I consumed a lot of alcohol during this film. There are some behind.
What a character.
So I mean, it's been more emotional than other films of mine, which are more light-hearted and vain. This has a lot of fun, frolic, everything. There's a certain intensity and there's a certain change which the character goes through. So there were times when, I mean, I myself was angry sometimes on set. I was snapping at Alia and Shashank at times on set.
Sometimes you want to, Shashank, you want to tell some of the fights we had.
I think we should hear it from Shashank about the experience because he's worked with them probably more than I have.
It's been a very interesting character. Both the characters have been interesting to work with them because, as he pointed out, we're entering a world which probably they both have never seen before. And just to get the language correct, just to get the Malayu correct, it has been great fun to work with them. And I think the rest, hopefully the film will talk for itself.
Definitely one of the best things about this film is that we got a chance to go to Jhansi and shoot. We got a chance to go to Kota and shoot. There's no Dharma film that has ever been shot in Jhansi or Kota before this. No, I'm not saying that as a bad thing, but I'm just saying...
You just accuse...
No. What I mean is that this is very unlike other Dharma films. It's a new thing for Karan as well, I think.
It's Heartland. Karan, the first part you all had mentioned as a tribute to...
Yes.
You all had mentioned the first part, Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, was a tribute to DDLG. What about the second part? Is it a tribute to any...
Yeah, we copy other movies every time. When you are seeing them, you'll find some 5-6 references. They're like that. We are not pretending to be original. Though we have been to Jhansi and Kota for the first time.
Okay guys, first of all...
It's our debut.
विजय जी, जैसा कि करण जी ने कहा कि ये झांसी और छोटे शहर की कहानी है और छोटे शहर के किरदार हैं, तो सिंगल थिएटर्स में आप कैसा देख रहे हैं?
देखिए, जैसे आपने अभी सबने देखा, I mean, you have a cast like this, talented, beautiful, a director who's got his finger in the belly button of India and guided by Karan. Can't get better than that, right? So I'm saying that a film like this is going to be released really wide, both in India as well as outside of India. So, and I think it's quite obvious why it needs a very wide release. because this speaks to every Indian heart. So hugely excited.
Also, everything about Varun is wild. His excitement, his energy. He's like wanting to burst out of his leather pants as we speak. I can just feel his palpable energy right now. Like he's bursting at this moment. Right now, we're trying to like literally rein him in.
So I'll let you all in on something. So before last night, I called up Karan around 12:30 or 1.
It was your 55th call.
Yeah. I told him that what should we do tomorrow? Should I speak in the Badri accent? Should I do that? Karan was like, I beg you, just behave like a movie star.
No, he wanted to know what I was wearing.
He wanted to know what I was wearing as well.
And he wanted to know what I was wearing.
I was like, how does that matter to you?
We were all summoned to send one
He's like,
picture.
don't you think you should wear something Indian? I said, I might look like that Air India Maharaj if I land up standing like that. If I wear something Indian. Like, I was like, how can you even ask? And then he said, no, we are wearing black and red. Why don't you also match with us also? I have a touch of red in your black. And I was like, okay.
Because it's releasing on Holi, it's a festive release and I'm really excited because
So what should we do?
No, it's my
No, but
first
it's
festive release, I'm really excited.
Huh?
I mean, it's my first festive release. We never get these dates. So, I mean, finally I've got it after so many
You
years.
still haven't got Diwali, Eid and Christmas.
But I'll start from Holi now, then I'll
But-
go on.
We'll also clash. Come on.
Varun, towards your left over here. You know, you are the only person from the young lot of actors who has not delivered a flop. This is your 7th film and all your films have been successful. And you have 2 franchises, Badrinath Ki Dulhania and Judwaa 2. So how confident are you about the 2 films and how are you looking at this year?
Honestly, I'm never confident. I believe in only one thing, and that's what my father's taught me, and that's hard work. There's no substitute for that. And like I said, I think what works, I think Alia said it very well because we discussed how we're going to promote this and what are we going to do. And she said that, Varun, let's just market it from our heart, not from our brain. So everything you're seeing on the stage is all heart. There's no brain, there's no science to it. I don't want to change your image. My image should be this, that Varun Dhawan does films which entertains the country. And entertainment can be anything, that you can play a negative role, positive role, horror role, anything that reaches out to the entire country, not only, like Shashank said, it's not only the tier 1 cities or tier 2 cities or tier 3 cities. Everyone should be able to watch my film. Everyone should be able to understand my film. And that's the idea, that's the vision Karan has for me. And that's what he pushes me always towards, that, you know, do films which can reach out to larger people, that everyone can understand and enjoy them. So that's the only purpose, and that is to entertain people. I get bad dreams that I'm boring people, like I'm acting and people are yawning and all. That is the biggest nightmare I get. I don't want to do that.
Current all holidays, dates, you know, are really beneficial for the release of a film. People flock in. Would you take a Eid release sometime?
No.
Right.
I don't want to. That is owned by Salman Khan. And I think unless, of course, Salman and I do a film, then I would very happily arrive on Eid. Otherwise, it's best not. Look, we're here to release films in a manner that we can optimize our numbers as well. It's a clear thought. So as a producer, as a studio that we partner with, we make sure that, you know, we come in a climate or on a day that we know we can really completely choose for various reasons. And we have to see what's coming before, what's coming after, whether it's another film from the Hindi belt or it's another Hollywood film. You have to kind of see lots of verticals when you release a film. So there's, I feel like you have to really truly strategize your release as much as make your film. Even the work that we do post it is very critical about how you release it, how many screens, how you're strategizing your release, all that's very critical. So the release date is becoming more and more challenging to reach the right date for the film, you know. So it's something that we toy with a lot.
How do you explain it?
Playing a Dulhania?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this is the second time I'm a Dulhania. Actually, third time, even in 2 states I was a Dulhania. So yeah, I think Dulhania is going with my my spirit. I think that is me. Alia equals to Dulhania.
But there's lots more to Vedai than you just see in this trailer. We can't obviously reveal everything. We can't reveal the twists, and because in a love story, I mean, eventually it's about the love
What
between
twist?
2 people. So there are certain things which happen in this story that turn around.
What twist?
With your character, something
I'm
happens.
twisted.
Quite a twisted Dulhania. ये headline बनेगा.
Something
We
happened.
have 2 questions in the house.
Hi
ladies and
Varun and
gentlemen.
Alia, to your left.
So did Humble Badri finally get the solution to compound interest, the formula of compound interest in the film?
वो थोड़ा कठिन है, हम थोड़ा वक्त में सीख के बता दे आप.
और
If he
वरुण
cracks
को
compound interest, I'm ready to salute him any point of time.
Crack it, I'll Google it.
Tell me the full form of simple interest first of all.
Simple interest equal to P into R into T divided by 100.
Full form bata.
I have a last question. Any other?
Shashank here. Shashank. How did you decide upon the name Badrinath? Was there any specific reason?
You mean in terms of the names or?
Yeah, the character name, Badrinath.
Right, I think it's very simple. I was writing characters from UP. Alia's character is from Kota, which is Rajasthan, but she is a UPite based in Kota, Rajasthan. So I was just trying to make my characters as authentic. Badrinath is a very endearing name, especially when you use the name Badri. And a very funny thing is Varun's best friend for about last 15 years actually calls him Badri. So when I went to narrate the script to him, I don't think so he understood the story too much, but he said, you know what, I love the name Badri because my friend calls me Badri.
This is actually a true story, it's not a lie. My best friend Kavish, he calls me Badri because we always have this joke that he said if you never made it in Hindi cinema, you would be acting in Bhojpuri cinema. So he calls me Badri. Arey Badri idhar aana. And Badri means like short form of brother for him is what he's trying to go
Kavesh, for everyone who want to know, is the fat kid in K3G, by the way, who plays Hrithik Jr.
आलिया, लास्ट टाइम यू जिद कर रहे थे डिजाइनर लहंगा के लिए, इस बार क्या है?
इस बार पहन के आई है।
इस बार मैं पहन के आई हूँ मनीष मल्होत्रा का डिजाइनर लहंगा। इस बार जिद क्या है? शशांक, इस बार जिद क्या है?
इज्जत कमानी।
And he's shown quite intelligent in the film also.
हाँ? आप बड़े शॉक लग रहे हो कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट लग रही हूँ फिल्म में? No, you are saying it like अरे हो गया तुम्हारा, मिल गया इंटेलिजेंट, फाइनली बन गई तुम फिल्म में। हाँ, I'm the intelligent one. I'm the intelligent one in the film, yeah.
We are releasing Badrinath ki Dulhania on March 10th.
Alia, hi. Alia, stay here. Hi. The trailer looks
Fox
amazing.
has had such a superb year. I mean, we give it up for Fox, ladies and gentlemen. It looks amazing, back-to-back success.
Alia, the trailer looks amazing. Yeah, this one. Yeah. फिल्म में तो आप दुल्हनिया हैं, शर्मा रही हैं और बट ऑफ लेट आप काफ़ी बोल्ड स्टेटमेंट्स एंड इंटरव्यूज दे रही हैं, विच इज़ क्वाइट जो आपकी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर की जो इमेज है उससे हट के काफ़ी, so it's like coming out of your image.
No, I'm not trying to come out anywhere. मुझे जब पूछा जाता है क्वेश्चन तो मैं जवाब देती हूँ, and I don't ever think that even in this film I'm not shy. He is not a shy girl at all. वो मतलब बहुत ही घरेलू है, वो अच्छी बहू बनेगी शायद जैसे वरुण ने कहा, बट शी इज नॉट शाय एट ऑल, शी इज वेरी मूवर्ड. तो कभी कभी मैं बोल देती हूँ, पूछा जाता है, मतलब देने वाला कंप्लेन है कि जवाब नहीं देते, जब जवाब दे रहे तब भी कंप्लेन कर रहे.
बोल्ड मतलब क्या है? लड़का बोले तो ठीक है, लड़की बोले तो गलत है.
सही बात. दिस इज बदली.
ऐसी कोई विश है कि मैं इस तरह के किरदार आगे जाके निभाऊं? आपने बदलापुर की थी, आपने हाईवे की है, डियर जिंदगी की है, उड़ता पंजाब की है, तो कहीं एक बैलेंसिंग एक्ट है कि एक मासी फिल्म भी करनी है और ऑफ बीट फिल्में भी करनी है, या किस तरह के फ्यूचर के बारे में किस तरह से देखते हैं इसे?
सर, आई थिंक मुझे बस फिल्में करने हैं. ये जो ऑफ बीट, मासी, कमर्शियल, रियलिस्टिक फिल्म, आर्टी फिल्म, ये सब टैगलाइंस मैं जब आई थी दुनिया में मुझे सब पता नहीं था. मुझे बस पता था कि मुझे फिल्मों में काम करना है, मुझे हिंदी फिल्म हीरोइन बननी है, मुझे एक्टर बनना है, मुझे सब कुछ बनना है. तो मुझे फिल्में दी जाएगी, मैं जो मुझे पसंद आएगा मैं वो करूँगी. So I think that's my only goal and aim: do films and do cinema all over.
There's just two choices: a good film and a bad film. We want to do good films.
On that glorious note, thank you for your words of wisdom, Badri. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Shashank. Thank you, Varun and Alia. And the trailer's online already, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it gets all the love it deserves. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.